Hey guys, welcome to Waterwatch. My name's Darrell, I'm a part of the team here in Dunedin, and today we're going to show you how you can add members to your organisation. This is a cool app feature that we have that allows multiple people to see what's happening with your water tank monitors. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll to the bottom of your tank list and you'll see at the bottom a share access icon. This will only be here if you're an admin of your organisation. If you're just a member or you're on a free Wi-Fi subscription account, you won't be able to see this icon. So select Share Access and then it'll take you to an organisation members page. Here you'll be able to see who's in your organisation and what role they have. So if you want to add someone new, you're going to want to select this plus icon up the top in the corner and you're going to enter their email address. And you're going to want to enter their name and you're going to want to choose what role they have. So I'm going to enter this person and then I'm going to choose for them to be an admin so that they can do everything in the app, and I'm going to opt to put their mobile number in and that will allow them to have text notifications. But if they don't want that, they can opt out of that as well. And then I'm going to select Invite Member and they're going to receive an email that will allow them to download the Waterwatch app and join your organisation. Now you've invited someone to join your organisation, you're going to want to get them to check their emails. In their emails, they'll find an invitation to create a Waterwatch account. There, they'll enter their email address and choose a password, and then they'll be given a link to download the Waterwatch app. Once they've downloaded the Waterwatch app, entered their details, they'll then be able to see what's happening with your tank monitors.